Is your Lowe's account not linking to QuickBooks? Many small business owners and entrepreneurs rely on QuickBooks for their accounting needs, but occasionally technical hiccups can arise, causing disruption. In this guide, we'll tackle the issue of how to fix your Lowe's account if it's not linking to QuickBooks. With the steps in this guide, you'll be streamlining your bookkeeping processes in no time. Step 1. Check for updates. First, ensure both QuickBooks and your internet browser are up to date. Software updates often include crucial bug fixes and compatibility enhancement. For QuickBooks, open the program and navigate to the Help menu. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Make sure your internet browser is the latest version as well, as this can affect integration processes. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Double check that your login information for Lowe's is correct. Sometimes account linking issues stem from simple credential errors. Log into your Lowe's account independently to make sure you can access it using your existing username and password. If your login credentials have changed, update them in QuickBooks by navigating to the banking section. Step 3. Reauthorize your account. If updating didn't work, you might need to reauthorize your Lowe's account link within QuickBooks. First, go to the Banking tab in the QuickBooks interface. Select your Lowe's account from the list and then click Edit. Find the reauthorization option and follow the prompts to grant QuickBooks permission to access your Lowe's account information once more. This step often resolves connectivity issues. Step 4. Examine security settings. Sometimes security settings can interfere with account linking. Check whether there are any firewalls or antivirus programs that might be blocking the connection between QuickBooks and your Lowe's account. Make sure that QuickBooks is whitelisted in your security software. Disable the firewall temporarily to see if it's causing the issue. Be sure to re-enable it once you've identified the problem. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps solve the problem, it might be time to reach out for help. Both QuickBooks and Lowe's offer customer support services to assist with technical issues. Prepare to explain the steps you've already tried. Typically, QuickBooks support can provide further assistance or escalate the issue if it's a broader connection problem affecting multiple users. Fixing the issue of a Lowe's account not linking to QuickBooks can be a straightforward process when you follow these steps. From checking for updates to reauthorizing your account, these actions can resolve most common problems. Remember, maintaining smooth integration between platforms like Lowe's and QuickBooks is crucial for keeping your business's financial operations on track and efficient. By following this guide, you'll enhance your financial management capabilities without the frustration. Stay proactive, solve connectivity troubles swiftly, and continue focusing on growing your business. We hope this guide of how to fix a Lowe's account not linking to QuickBooks has been helpful. Good luck and happy bookkeeping.